Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the show. How's it going? Good morning, or for some of you guys, good evening. Funded Subham, hello there, live again. Oh my gosh, Terry is here with us. Hello, Terry. Hey, you are the best. Terry is the best, by the way. Without Terry, we would be nowhere. I'm telling you guys. And my funded TV, I mean, I don't even want to say. Like, I don't want to think about it. We must have Terry on the show at all costs. What's up, El Burrito? Hello there. I just have to get up early a little because before you were up at 2. Oh, you couldn't keep up. Okay. Yeah. I was up and you were up. I mean, yeah, guys, this is trading. You got to be at the chart sometimes. I mean, overall, I counted together. I mean, I trade about 5 hours a day, including the streams. So 5, maybe 6 sometimes. Trader 007, hello there. Good morning. Upstate Futures is here. Hello. What's up? All right. So not much is happening. I thought I'd just fire up the stream and we'll see how things will turn out. But so far, not much is going on. Honestly, it's just hard to come up with a bias here because we're still just ranging. We still have this consolidation after that push in Asia session. So, you know. You tried several times to be active at that time. Hey, Burrito, don't worry about it. You need to get your sleep. And obviously, it's easy for me because from Europe, it's easier for me to do London and New York. But like for Asia session, for example, it would be rather difficult for me. I mean, by the way, I was thinking that maybe it would be awesome to do like a 24-hour stream. How about that? That would go completely crazy. A 24-hour stream. That would be like, you know. I'm not a machine. Oh my gosh, Terry. No, I'm not. No. 24-hour stream. Oh my God. That would be absolutely crazy. And, you know, for that 24-hour stream, there would be like a dedicated account. It doesn't have to be a funded account. It can be just an evaluation account. And just to see how far we can go in 24 hours. And no reset, no nothing. We're not doing anything crazy. Just how far we can go with like, quote unquote, normal risk management in 24 hours. Trading the London, the New York, and the Asia session. Oh my God, that would be like, wow. Smash the likes, everybody. Yeah, if it's a machine. How we are doing, we have 8 likes. I know we can do a little bit more. Thank you, everyone, for supporting. We can get to about 30 to 40 at least, right? I know we can do it. So I know we just started and nothing is happening right now in the markets. I like the way that actually NQ pushed back into this 5-minute gap, and I'm just kind of hoping for a further drop down. Yeah, so I'm kind of wanting to see this drop lower. That's what I want to see, by the way. Disciplined Futures Trader, aka Alicia. Hello there. Steezy DP, hello, good morning. Tom and Jerry both are the best. But it's Terry and Tom show. You know, it's the Terry and Tom show. Let's chat, arriving and going through the like button. Yes, exactly. Apex is 90% off, but obviously Apex has higher prices now, higher prices over the last couple of weeks. So I think the cheapest 50K, for example, the cheapest 50K account is, I think, $24.90 right now upfront. And I just got word, I got email, or sorry, we might have something more. Just a second there. Okay, so we have update about the activation fees. The intraday trailing activation fee is $89. And the end of day trailing activation fee is $109. Okay. So $89 and $109 for all the accounts, intraday and end of day. Okay. So they do have higher prices a little bit. Digital Nukes, hello. Founded Subham is amazing. Thank you so much for the kind words there. What is happening here with the market? I don't like gold. Gold is just, you know, it swept sell side at 45.60. It doesn't really, it's not showing us anything special right now. If anything, then, you know, let's just assume that gold could go higher, but there is no supply zone here to the left upside. Yeah, so at least we could see a push on NQ though. If I zoom out on the 5 here, it would be great to smash through the VWAP and drop lower down to 163. That would be cool. You know, we have this line here in the sand, 238-ish area. So sells below here. You know, that would be something interesting to look for. But otherwise, not much. Did you take any trades on that VWAP? No, I didn't. I have no trades on. I had a stop loss in the London session here. So this was my only trade today. I tried to go long and it took me out. And as you see it, eventually it went to the TP. So, but I'm okay with this. I'm perfectly fine. So that's the only trade I took today. And that's fine. So one stop loss. Yeah, it's absolutely amazing to see Terry in the chat here. Did you make profit? No, I hit the stop loss. Yeah. I'm still kind of waiting to see what's happening with gold. Make good profits. Yeah, well, I wish that would be always the case, Founded Subham. But the thing is, yeah, I mean, many times, you know, when I take the first trade at MyFundedTV, I'm getting smoked, and then I'm trying to fight myself, you know, back a little bit, trying to fight my way back. But yeah, gold is at a point. Oh, it's absolutely 50-50 right now. Absolutely. That's the test position. Yeah, or as I call it, the probe trade. That's the probe trade. I send in a probe, like boom, let's see what happens, you know. And according to how the probe trade goes, I will decide how heavy or soon will be the next position, right? The probe trade. Hey, thank you so much. I do gotta check on something because there are mechanics in the hallway. They're repairing the doors here. Actually, anyway, long story short, because I live in a joint apartment building, and I need to check on something because anyway, I'll be back in a minute or two. Smash the likes and we'll be waiting for the setup. All right, I'll be right back. I am sorry for the... I'm sorry it took a little bit longer time, but they are fixing actually the whole staircase in the building, and I had to help to the guy because he was a little bit lost. So, but I'm here. I am here. Just a second. So, yeah, it took a few minutes, that's for sure. I don't even know how much. Yeah. So sorry, I'm here. But nothing happened, guys. The market didn't do anything special other than spiking higher. But do we have any news? Trump to other countries affected by Hormuz, get your own oil. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. This is amazing. Trump, get your own oil. That's wild. All right, anyway. Yeah, almost untradeable, yeah. This is amazing. Get your own oil. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna put it here. Hold on. Hold on. This is too funny. This is actually, it's not even funny. Sorry, guys. It's not even funny. I need to put it because I'm gonna forget it. I'm gonna forget this one. So I need to put this here. You know. There. Get your own oil. Oh my gosh. The problem is it's actually sad. Yes, Happy Kids Trades. It is sad. Yeah. It is too funny. Yeah. Oh my God. All right. Let's see. Good morning to everybody. I'm sorry I was out. Some bad market manipulation. Yeah, could be. Diddy oil. Yeah, John Carter. No, I'm afraid not. Not about that. What's the name of the site where you watch? It's Financial Juice. Financialjuice.com. So I can actually paste it to you guys here. So this is the website where you can read these headlines. It's actually free. So, hey, Camila, hello. Igen, ez elég szomorú. Ez sajnos igazából szomorú. Yeah, Camilla is a Hungarian. She lives in New York. Just saying that it's actually sad that the president says something like that. It is, but yeah. Yeah, I was reading some headlines that Trump actually doesn't really care to open the Strait of Hormuz anymore. So I guess this is the reason, or one of the reasons. Örülök, hogy itt vagy, Camilla, egyébként. Yeah. I was texting. I just received the text from FundedFutures. Honestly, guys, I wasn't really talking too much about FundedFutures lately. I was focusing so many things. I was focusing so many things. I would like to work a little bit more with FundedFutures as well. So we were just messaging with the affiliate contact, but I will get back to him on that. Hey Farhad, what's up? Hello. Bence, hello. Are you Hungarian? Lang Bence. You might be Hungarian. It sounds a little bit Hungarian. Welcome everybody. Welcome back. Gold? Yeah, gold is tricky. So we do have a 1 hour supply zone up there, by the way. And we can definitely go higher. Na, annak örülnék, Camilla, annak szuper lenne. Szuper lenne. Persze, dumáljunk egy kicsit. Meg ha jössz Magyarországra, lesz pár dolgom majd Győrbe, üzleti ügyben úgymond, úgyhogy egyszer fussunk össze. Mert mostanában arra fogok járni egy párszor. You were in $1,000 of profit? Go to toilet, don't move stop loss, come back. Oh no! Oh, so it went down. Negative 1900. Oh my gosh. Farhad is up 1500 from you, Alpha. Oh my gosh, Farhad. I don't know how you're doing it, man. I do know that you are crushing it with these firms. That's amazing. That is just amazing. Sorry, just texting. You don't like Trump anymore. I don't want to comment on those things. I mean, you know, politics. I mean, I do know and I respect that everybody has an opinion about politics in their own country. I'm not taking sides, obviously. In my country, I do take sides, but I don't know how things are going in the US. But yeah, like just trying to be like, you know, looking at it from a bird's eye view, obviously, as a president, it's not really a good thing to say, like, get your own oil while you're basically ruining your partnership with other countries. So I just do hope that these things, these deals and diplomacy will be restored. You know, that would be the best for everybody. Júliusban. Szuper, oké. Mindenképp jelez, Kamilla, mindenképp. Mindenképp. Loved him before. Oh, that just looked like he do shit on the market just for his son to make money. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, man. Yeah, TRADEIFY works. Let me see. Am I connected to TRADEIFY? My account is connected currently through NinjaTrader. So, yeah. I have it connected. So today I'm not doing all that good. But I lost a funded account today here on Apex, as you see it. Rayson, hello. So yeah, I lost, but this account, as you see it, this was already down below the threshold. So this Apex funded account was down today, 254. I barely made it back because I was down a little bit and I was copy trading. But yeah, this is the funded account, but this was down $3,000 with TRADEIFY, but this is an instant funded account. I got this is the one I got the payout today from. This was the second payout from the same Apex account. This is a funded futures network funded account, which is like anything you make above $52,000 is basically yours with 80% profit split. But this is today. And I have Bulenox funded accounts as well, and I have other funded accounts, but these are the ones that I'm currently connected to. And I'm gonna purchase more. I'm gonna purchase more evaluation accounts from Alpha and Funded Next. By the way, I just texted with Funded Next. By the way, I'm gonna put on Funded Next more Alpha futures. So. Is this a liquidity sweep? I'm not sure. I'm not really sure about this. Let's all smash the likes, by the way. Let's see if we can. How are we doing? We are at 41 likes. Can we get to like 70 or 80 likes, please? We can do that, right? Easy peasy. Let's do it, guys. Ladies and gents, let's get some more likes. So, Rayson, I don't know. It could have been just a liquidity sweep on NQ and then go lower. Martin Perez, hello, in the flesh. Next to Anubis Trades, Lucid gonna raise the prices on Flex accounts midnight. Oh, yeah. Lucid might be. Also, TRADEIFY is getting a new upgrade, TRADEIFY 3.0. And seems like TRADEIFY is gonna step into the same type of model that Lucid is doing. So no more monthly payments at TRADEIFY. There's going to be a one-time payment only. So, and I think this is amazing. So one-time payment, no activation fee model is going to come to TRADEIFY, by the way, which is awesome. I need 1.2K more to open your open my funded. Let's go. You will get it. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. It will happen. It will happen. How we are doing? Is TRADEIFY down right now? Let me check it. They are upgrading the website, I think. No, I mean, the website looks okay. As far as I can see it, my connection is okay through NinjaTrader with TradeAwait. Press login. All right, let me see. I'll try to log in. Sign in. Okay. A pop-up window appeared. It didn't happen before. Okay. Do you guys are able? I'm not able to log in. So when I press TRADEIFY on the TRADEIFY website to sign in, there's a login window. Do you guys have the same? Yeah, okay. And it's not accepting my credentials. Yeah, I think they are upgrading the website at the dashboard. That's what they're doing, I think, because TRADEIFY 3.0 is launching today, I think. So that could be the issue there. So nothing to worry about. We are at 55 likes. Let's go. 45 more. We can do it. Do you track options data? Not really, Vadimas. No. No. I'm not. Maybe I should. Maybe I should. But not really. Trump, all of those countries that can't get jet fuel because of the Strait of Hormuz, like the United Kingdom, should buy oil from the US or take it. As Trump considers ending Middle East war, blah, blah, stock rise, stock S&P, true, okay, nothing there. Let me check Bloomberg. Look at that. Trump tells allies buy US jet fuel or take it from Hormuz. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm not subscribed to Bloomberg right now. Maybe this was the plan, guys. What if this was the plan? I mean, you know, let's just step back for a minute here. What if the plan was just to mess up everything in Iran and the oil supply and everything, so so European countries are somewhat forced to buy oil from the US? Could that be, is that possible even? Is that something that can happen? It's all scripted, G Trading says. RC is closer if UK need oil. Huh. So it's all scripted. The same strategy with tariffs. Huh. Trump is not that smart. Mike saying. Huh. Hasn't Iran oil been off Eastern market for decades? I think it was. I think it was. Or is? Yeah, that's a good question. That's actually a good question. Let me check on it. All right, let me just check. That's a very good question. Okay. So here's the answer. I just copied your question to ChatGPT. The short answer is not for decades trade, but for long stretches since about 2012 with interruptions. Before 2012, Iran was Western market. So 2012 to 15 cut off from the West. 2015 to 18 temporarily come back. 2018 present mostly shut out again. Okay, so from 2018 to present time, mostly shut out. The US reimposed sanctions in 2018. Western companies and pulled again. EU imports today are tiny, so very tiny import from there. Most Iranian oil now goes to Asia. Okay, look at that, Mo. Is that true? I don't know. We have to fact check ChatGPT because it could be mistaken. But it says most Iranian oil now goes to Asia, especially China. And price Iran has been largely absent from Western oil markets since 2018. So your intuition is partly like, yes, Iran has been mostly out of Western markets for over a decade, but not continuously. Even when cut off, okay, interesting, interesting. Very good question. India, China, and Pakistan buys a lot. It's Saudi and others that blocked. Oh. Wow, interesting. Can we get the previous day high? 580. Yeah, I mean, we can. But hold on. There's a level here. That's a 5-minute zone. Just a second, guys. I think. Okay, so we tagged the zone during Asia session. This one is valid right here. That's a 5-minute supply zone up there. Okay, so here's a 5-minute supply zone. And, you know, if we go higher than 400 and we stay there, there's a good chance we stay in that area. Why not? Now we have a 5, a 15-minute, maybe. I think we have a great chance for it. Huh. All I know is that Philippines get a lot of their oil from the Middle East, which is killing my love life. Oh, it does. All right, just a second, quick phone call here. All right, everything is cool. Just a quick phone. Philippines get a lot of their oil from the Middle East. Can't visit my wife at the moment because of lack of jet fuel. Oh my gosh. Wow. So jet fuel is that much affected, by the way. That's like, wow. That is crazy. I didn't know that there. So, I mean, I didn't know that jet fuel is so much affected by all this. Mr. Ambrose vlog, hey! Thank you for joining. Welcome. And by the way, don't forget, this is the last day of the month, so there could be some crazy movements. Oh my gosh, yeah. Oké, Camilla, értem, most már így még jobban összeállt a kép. Oké. Hogyha jönnek még repülők, hát akkor lehet, hogy Ausztriába kéne. Tudod, Ausztriába repülsz, vagy Németbe, és akkor onnan vonattal. Esetleg. Okay, so now I understand. All right. Helium gas as well. It is needed for electronic chips productions. Wow. State of energy. Helium has ended. Wow. It seems like it's really, really affecting the global market, right? Red text went into a sell. Oh my gosh. So you went into a sell on NQ. I mean, question, where did you went into the sell? Where did you go into the sell? I mean, because you went up there at the 70s. That's good. Direct flights to Austria is 1800. Wow. 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 Csak azért, mert ugye, hogy eleve Győrbe mégy, azt, igen, Győr, és akkor neked szerintem Ausztria lenne sokkal jobb, mint Budapest. Én azt gondolom. Wow, that's a huge difference. About 50. Oh, yeah, at 50 feet, okay. Connection flight is a risk because they can't cancel it. Oh, yeah. Yeah. You might stuck at the airport, right? Diesel here at home in Darwin is 3 per liter. Oh my gosh, at the moment. Wow. So it seems like diesel fuel is really going higher. And a sell and a drawdown. Careful, guys. This market right now is, you know, as fears are growing again, you know, the fear indicator is getting stronger. I feel like, you know, gold is going to push higher. We have an absolutely super awesome level up there at 46.83 as a 1 hour supply zone. I will be looking into that just like previous day high. Gold is looking good for a potential buy, but not right now. I still need to wait for it. But looking okay. I would not fly to because the contraction of the... Oh, igen. Oh, az autópálya. Camilla, hidd el, itt mindenki szétvet az ideg. I'm sorry, guys, for the Hungarian, but I need to speak a little bit Hungarian just for a second. Itt mindenkit szétvet az ideg, köztük egyébként engem is, mert nem tudok az autópályán közlekedni. Úgyhogy nem az M1-esen megyek, hanem a 81-es úton, vagy merre fogok ott alul menni a kertek alatt, mert az M1-es autópálya elesett. Vége van, teljesen. Alright, insane. Yeah, unpredictable traffic. Yeah. I have to ask... we will, as a trader, we take advantage of the news. No, it's not evil. Red text. You know, if you ask this question, like we are living in capitalism, you know, think about it. Like the same goes for trading as well. If you see an opportunity, you take an advantage, and this is how actually the world is working right now, you know. So igen, úgyhogy alul a 81-esen, vagy 82-es, tudom már kell, hogy ott fogok menni oda-vissza. De nem baj, ott is tudok haladni, csak így szépen alul főutakon haladgatok szépen keresztül, mert az M1-est el kell felejteni. Vége van. Alright, so yeah, it's... don't worry about it. It's not evil trading the news. It is what it is, you know. 1/3 of helium was produced in Qatar. Now that is destroyed. Oh, wow. I'm going to copy this to ChatGPT. Qatar's helium industry. Look at that. Qatar has been one of the top helium producers globally. At times, it supplied 25 to 30% of the world's helium. Production is tied to its massive natural gas operations. Is Qatar helium destroys? No, there is no confirmed, because ChatGPT is out of date. All right, it doesn't know that it has been. Qatar, yeah, it's supply, it's not. Bottom line, so okay. If you heard this from news, social media, tell me where. ChatGPT is not up to date about this. Cell phones, cars, yeah. Google, yeah, Google uses latest. Oh, okay. Is that's Gemini, right? Google Gemini. Halted on LNG associated products, including global impact. The removal of nearly a third of the world's supply has triggered immediate market consequences. Price surges. Helium spot prices have already doubled in some markets, with analysts warning they could reach over 2,000 per 1,000 cubic feet in the outage persists. Critical industries shortage. Industries that rely on helium's unique cooling properties are currently scrambling. Healthcare MRI machines require liquid helium to cool superconducting magnets. Oh my gosh. Technology, semiconductor manufacturing, chip making uses helium for cooling, and photolithography. How does that pronounced?
Photolithography.
Photolithography. Used for pressurizing rocket fuel tanks. Major gas suppliers have begun reducing shipments. Oh my gosh. Future outlook. Even if the conflict ends immediately, the Qatar energy minister stated that it would take weeks or months to resume regular deliveries and years to restore the damaged portions of the plant. Oh my gosh. Are you looking for alternative suppliers? No, I'm not. So this is heavy here. Look at that. And this is from Reuters. Look at that. Wow. Petrol prices in Europe, it's rising. Like in Hungary, there is protected price right now. There's a price stop forced by the government, but like overall, it's like about 2 euros per liter per on the diesel. So the diesel fuel price is about 2 euros per liter. The standard diesel. 2.6 euros, 2.4 on 95. Wow. It's really going up there. In Bulgaria. Wow. $165, $140. It's very expensive there in Bulgaria, the diesel. $1. Oh, sorry. Yeah. 165. 165, sorry. Not okay. Okay. In Hungary, it's about 2 euros. It's about just yesterday. I was at the gas station and I checked, and so there's a price stop by the government which is only temporarily. But if the price is not protected by the government priced up, it's about €2. 190, maybe 195 at best. 2.4 in Norway. Wow. Good morning, Timothy. Hello. For liter, not gallon. Gallon, yeah. For liter, yes. In Israel. Wow. That's crazy. Camila, did you post the link? I didn't see that. I'm sorry. You can post links. You're a mod. Timothy, how you doing, man? Bot, yes. All right. I think NQ wants to go up there to that 5-minute supply zone, but so far still holding. Shirt man is back. Hello. Yeah. Shirt man is back. But today is the plate shirt time. You know, today's plate shirt. Not much is going on, guys. Let's see. Let's see. Is it explained about helium? I guess I can. Oh, yeah, you can post links. Cool. All right. I'm going to save it for later. Thank you. I keep it open. I'm gonna watch it later. Yeah, I was so tempted to jump into a trade here, but I didn't want it to force anything on the 1-minute chart here. So I just couldn't do it. And we're technically consolidating quite a bit here. It's even more, yeah, on the highway, it's a complete robbery, by the way. You got out from ES. Let's go. $600 scalp. Zachary, congratulations, man. That's awesome. Good job. GG. That's actually for a good game. 31 likes to go to get to 100 likes. Can we get 31 more likes? It's easy. 31. Let's push it. Let's get to 100. We're getting closer to 200 viewers, which is amazing because I haven't really streamed too much in the past few weeks in New York because I just didn't have the time for it. But now I can squeeze in a bit of a New York trade here. Burrito, thank you so much for being here. Yeah, see you later. See you later. Thanks for hanging. Have a good one. The facility went offline on March 2nd following drone strikes, removing 30% of global helium supply from market. That's basically it. Oh, I see. Okay, so that is going to be like a huge spiral for the market. Wow. So everything that is connected to it is in jeopardy right now. Thank you, Vadimas. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Kind of waiting. I was expecting, so I was looking for a stronger push on gold, but in order to do that, I didn't want it to see this bullish candle at 755. And now I'm a little bit confused. That's the thing. I just can't take a trade yet. Just waiting and waiting and more waiting. It's all a theater. And the major long-term low is upon us. Really? We were talking about like huge shift in the markets, like we're going to shift to a bearish economy and bearish markets as well, slowly. Oh my gosh, I have to check on the Bulenox. I think Bulenox also shifted the codes. No, nothing. Okay. Not much is going on. Good morning, AVR Dream. What's up? Looks like consolidation right now. Did Trump do this morning tweet yet? Well, he said to everybody to get your own oil. That's what he said. I put it in Bulenox because the coupon should be working. It's because they didn't update it. Don't worry about it, Mike. They just didn't update the coupons. So, for example, my coupon code is currently at the standard 45%. Let me just check it again. Yeah, so they are down to 45% currently. Yeah. Yeah, he said, get your own oil. Actually, here's what he said. No trades, funded Subham, no trades. Still waiting. Yeah, they're supposed to be, but they haven't updated it yet because business hours starting around 9 a.m. at Bulenox, so they didn't update it yet, unfortunately, Mike. It is what it is. They still down at 45%. It seems like this is what he said. Get your own oil. Yeah, you should, yeah, exactly, fund this up. I mean, you should do that. Get your own, man. This is the new thing now. Everybody should drill, you know. Get your own. Head of the Pentagon is speaking. Oh no. No, it was a dick move. AVR dream. No. It's not funny, by the way, though. And by the way, I'm sorry if yeah, we were laughing, but actually, just like earlier, we talked about this. It's actually not funny because it is causing quite a bit of a negative spiral. And I'm sorry, I did not want to offend anyone with that. It's actually not funny. It's not good. It's definitely not good for the market. It's not good for the economy. It's not good for anybody. So, you know, at the end, the consumer is going to pay for it. Families are already having financial troubles all over the world. And these talks are just not helping moving forward. So it's not good. Didn't Trump just took Venezuela's oil? I thought he did, but I don't know. Exactly, AVR Dream. So the thing is, you pay the price for the bread and the milk and the meat and the medicine and everything that everybody needs, that just the basic things that you're thinking of. Everything's is going to go higher. Prices are going to go higher. I'm not sure how far can the market stretch this one out, or how far can the economy stretch this one out, or can the economy be stretched? I just feel like we are in a very dangerous territory right now. Very, very dangerous territory. All right, look at this drop. I'm starting to get interested in this drop. Okay. Do I want to get in? Destroyed worlds are it's not funny. Yeah, it's not. I mean, it is definitely not a good sign for sure. Ha ha ha. All right, I'm not in a trade. I'm just kind of measuring how. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Opening up this candle is 350. Here it goes. 428. Okay. Let's see. Opening up this candle is 11.9. And the high is 28.5. All right. Gotta be ready. Is this a news candle? They're trying to push a blackout. The US is not pulling assets in Strait of Hormuz. This is a bigger play. I kind of feel like it is. All right, I'm gonna put a limit order at 350 for a sell. Not yet. Still waiting. I'm still waiting. Still waiting. Waiting for candle close. All right, putting in a sell limit at 350 on NQ. And putting in a sell limit at 611.9 on gold. There, 1 micro. All right, OC order, buy stop. $28.50 is a buy stop, and up there 28.7. 28.6 is good. Okay, so here are the orders, both on NQ and gold. I'm kind of looking to go short. And that's it. No take profit yet. I'm just kind of waiting if we're gonna get tagged or not. And it might gonna take some time. I'm not in a trade yet. I'm not in a trade. I just have a limit order. I'm not in the trade. Terry is short. I just put a limit there. So if it goes without me, I'm gonna let it go for now. We will see the aliens soon. By the way, guys, I would not be surprised on aliens. Like I'm like, if I would have to choose what to believe, I believe, and you know, that the government, or at least some deep state or whatever, secret government officials, whatever, I mean, there has been contact with civilized, like, intelligent life. So there are. I truly believe that they are here. Like, I'm not such a huge nerd like Fox Mulder, Agent Fox Mulder, Special Agent Fox Mulder from the X-Files, but I'm definitely am a believer. We will introduce them soon on public. Terry's not short. Terry's trade is in short setup. Oh. This is gonna be wild, everybody. Even 1 micro, it could be heavy in this case. All right, I got tagged in on NQ. $196 is gonna be my TP. Sorry, yeah. All the way down there. Okay, let's go with 196 if we can get there. We might not. Almost tagged in on gold as well. Yeah, exactly, Trading Star. We gotta be careful. We gotta be careful. What is going on with the market? Is all these headlines, right? Okay. All right. I got tagged in on gold. TP is going to be 78.9. Actually 79. All right. So I have 2 trades on. I might gonna have to carry these all the way through the market open, but I'm okay with that. Was hoping for a drop. Unfortunately, NQ is not looking that good, but I'm short on both gold and NQ as well. So this is gonna be fun, right? Right. So one single micro. If I get taken out, it's fine. We're gonna handle it. And yeah, NQ can still pop higher. We're gonna handle that. Too much headlines. Yeah. Let's get this off. In the gold trade as well. It's gonna be really interesting, I'll tell you that. And it might gonna take some time, maybe a couple of hours even. Who knows? Trading Star is flying to Sri Lanka. Really? Wow. That's amazing, man. That's amazing. Nice. That is cool. Gabor, hello there. Yeah, we all need to take a rest from the market. Every now and then, right? Hello from Poland. Hello. Remigius. Hey, what's up? A Polish brother from another mother and a different father. Hello there. I'm going to see. Oh, your mother and sister. Oh, wow. That's amazing. Yeah, have a safe journey, Trading Star. Oh, yeah. Leo is also. Leo is also a brother from another mother. And a different father. I think. We are trying to have fun. What can you do, right? In a market like this. By the way, I'm just gonna tell you guys not too good news. Statistically speaking, the chances are to get both of these trades to 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So the final TP is like maybe 10%. Maybe 10% or 20% that both of these trades are going to end up in TP. Chances are that, you know, at least one of these trades should hit the TP is about 30% or 40%, which would be enough to compensate for the loss of the other trade. But I do need to hold it for the final TP, you know, there's no other way around. Thank you. Ah, Trading Star can work from there. Cool, cool. Second trade always bought. Good luck. Well, you know, in this market, anything is possible. Anything. You never know. We need 14 more likes. Can we get 14 more likes to go? You know, to get 100. 13 more. $11 more. Yeah, it might be a better idea, Pari, to wait for it. I don't know. I thought that we're gonna nicely waterfall down both on NQ and gold here. 101. Thank you so much, everybody. You guys are amazing. So I thought that we were going to waterfall down, but so far it's not happening yet. Leo was the 100th one. You can still push it, by the way. Yeah, unfortunately, NQ is kind of holding the area. Not good. It ain't too late to flip. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. Let's see how the 8:30 candle is going to go. Oh no, look at that. Spiking. This, you know, the way the candle is printing, there has to be some news related thing happening. It could be taking out the there could be some slippage as well. Yeah, unfortunately, I think it's going to spike higher even before 8:30. What a crazy market. It's ready to go. There's no like major news. There are going to be news at 10 a.m. I think. So we're going to have, so right now we have CAD GDP news coming up, but like we have Joel's job openings at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard. But other than that, yeah, the market is insane. Okay, NQ is kind of giving up here. And 20 seconds to go. And I think it's going to spike right up there at 8:30. I would be surprised if it not spikes up. It's not, I mean, anyway. Here we go. Say goodbye to the trade. Damn it. I was really hoping for the waterfall here. Maybe gold later. I mean, I know it's a small trade, but still. It's just not going. Okay, guys, I'm going to call it here, and I'm going to prepare for MyFunded TV. All right, I'll be there in 30 minutes. So thank you so much for watching. If you would like to support the channel, please use the codes up there for those prop firms and even Funded Next now. So if you like to get some Funded Next accounts, the code is the same. But also Apex is down 90%. I think Bulenox is going to go with lower prices later today. They usually follow Apex. Lucid still has a good sale. MyFundedFutures network has the last day of buy one get one for free. Check it out, and you know the rest of them as well. MyFundedFutures has awesome sales. Thank you so much for the support, and I'll be seeing you guys. Exactly, the code is TOMSABO. I will seeing you guys later at MyFunded TV, and tomorrow, as usual, London and New York. All right. God bless you all. Well, this trade is, I think this is it for this one, but we'll see. God bless and cheers. See you guys later.